Hello everyone, my name is Selina and I'm Product Manager for RFID products. In the last Pulse webinar in June, I introduced to you the new handheld generation. It's called Modules V. I told you about the 3 basic devices that we have and the 2 UHF modules. And I promised you that the family is going to grow because we want to cover all RFID frequencies that we have in the Balluff portfolio. You see here that we have a wide variety of products, different read-write heads for BIS M, BIS L and also BIS C. Now, all of these that I brought you here can be attached to the processor unit BIS V. But we also want to attach them to the mobile BIS V, because that way we have here the portfolio that we can install in the production line, stationary, but also for mobile applications to cover the production line, but also manual work tasks like service, rework processes, and so on. And that's what we need our new products for. And these ones are the ones I want to introduce today. It's basically an adapter and it connects the basic device with the read-write head. And therefore, we take off the blind cap, just like we do with the UHF, and then slide on the adapter part. And then we can screw inside the read-write head. And I show you how this works exactly. You can see here that there's an opening with M30. Also, we have a little adapter part, this one here, that you can clip inside to make it smaller and to make it fit for M18 and also M12. So the adapter works for both M18 and M12. And that's why we designed this adapter and plug-in module basically for M30, M18 and M12, so all the cylindrical read-write heads with a connector. So I will remove the adapter again, and then we will have a look how we insert the read-write head. So it looks like this. Then we use the nuts. All the read-write heads always come with the nuts, and that's how we mount it inside. We insert it here, like this, and then we can turn it around. Yeah. And then we screw down the nuts from both sides, just like this, and now we have it fixed. And that's the same like we would do it with all the others. The reason why we don't sell it from the beginning with one read-write head is because we want you to be able to choose the right size. You all know that usually the data carrier and the read-write head should fit together perfectly in size. And that's how you can adjust it easily depending on what the customer is using in the line. Alright, so for BIS M, now you could use for a data carrier in a large size, you could use the M30. For a mid-sized data carrier, M18 would be the right choice. And for everything smaller than Tool ID, so everything smaller than a 10mm diameter, it's best to use the M12 read-write head. These are all the BIS M options, and here is also an BIS L read-write head that can be adjusted just like I just showed you with the M30 BIS M read-write head, because this module covers 2 frequencies, BIS M and BIS L. So all of these can be attached here, and these ones are the ones I would recommend to use because, as I said at the beginning, it's designed to be used with cylindrical read-write heads. But still, there are other options, and maybe for some customers it's necessary to use something with a cable as well. That's also possible. You can just attach it like we did before. But to make it hold and to make it be attached to the plug-in module, we need an additional reducing clamp, which is this part. It's a separate product that you need to order separately. You just screw it in, and then it's also possible to screw the connector of the cable inside, and then it's all fixed together. Okay, the reason why you might want to use a cable is because if you attach it to the device, now you could reach, for example, a data carrier underneath a pallet. The read-write head is right in front of the data carrier, but I can still see the screen and read and write. Okay. Now we covered up all the BIS M and BIS L solutions, and you saw that there is a wide variety of products that we can use here. The second module that we have new is only for BIS C. And here are the two read-write heads that we can use. It's only these two, the M30 and the M18 version. M18 is for Tool ID, so as Tool ID is the most common solution for BIS C, this might be the read-write head to use in most of the applications. Okay, so as a rule of thumb, always remember only these two read-write heads for BIS C, and for BIS M and L you have a wide variety. Usually all the read-write heads can be connected to the BIS V, so VM and VL can be connected to the BIS V and also to the mobile BIS V. That's also where the name comes from. But of course, everything is documented in the manual, and also on the websites you'll find all the read-write heads to be sure that you use the correct one. Okay, last time I explained to you that for UHF we have an application pre-installed. We also have an application pre-installed for BIS M, L and C. It's a completely renewed application which offers a lot of opportunities, and I think we need a separate video just for this one, so I will come back in the next Pulse webinar to show you all the details about the application. Thank you very much and see you there.